In the heart of Korean cuisine lies a beautiful balance of tradition, health, and flavor. While many are familiar with white rice as the staple of Korean meals, there's a growing fascination with black rice, a nutrient-rich, visually striking grain that's making its way into modern Korean kitchens. Today, on Inside Kitchen Stories, we dive into a delicious and wholesome recipe: Korean-style black rice Heukmi Bap. This isn't just a side dish, it's a celebration of color, texture, and ancient grains reimagined with a Korean twist. What is black rice? Known as Heukmi in Korean, black rice is a whole grain that's been cultivated for centuries in parts of Asia. Often called forbidden rice in ancient China due to its royal exclusivity, this deep purple-black grain is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, the same compounds found in blueberries and purple cabbage. It's also rich in fiber, protein, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. When cooked, black rice transforms into a glossy, slightly chewy grain with a nutty aroma and a subtle sweetness. Its dramatic color makes it a visual standout, and when paired with Korean flavors, it becomes a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Why Korean-style black rice? While black rice isn't traditionally the most common grain in everyday Korean meals, it's often used in special rice blends, festive dishes, and health-conscious households. Koreans have long valued the concept of yaksik, or medicinal food, and black rice fits perfectly into this philosophy. It's believed to boost energy, support heart health, and even promote longevity. Our version of Korean-style black rice goes beyond plain steaming. We'll cook it with a hint of sesame oil, a touch of garlic, and a sprinkle of roasted sesame seeds and scallions, simple yet deeply flavorful. It pairs beautifully with bibimbap, grilled meats, or even enjoyed on its own as a nourishing bowl. Ingredients: serves for 0.1 cup black rice Heukmi, 1.5 cups water or slightly more, as black rice absorbs more liquid, 1 tablespoon neutral oil like canola or grapeseed, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup roasted sesame seeds, 2 scallions, finely sliced, 1/2 teaspoon salt just to taste. Optional: 1/2 cup short grain white rice for a softer texture blend. Optional garnishes: gochujang Korean red pepper paste, thinly sliced nori seaweed, a drizzle of soy sauce or low-sodium tamari, pickled vegetables like danmuji or kimchi. Step-by-step preparation. Step 1. Rinse and soak the rice. Begin by thoroughly rinsing the black rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and any impurities. Then, soak the rice in fresh water for at least 2 to 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Soaking is crucial, it softens the tough outer bran layer, ensuring the grains cook evenly and become tender rather than chewy. Pro tip: if you're short on time, a 30-minute soak in warm water can work in a pinch, but longer soaking yields better texture. Step 2. Drain and prepare for cooking. After soaking, drain the rice completely. In a medium-sized pot with a tight-fitting lid, a rice cooker works too. Heat the neutral oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and saute gently for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Step 3. Toast the rice, optional but recommended. Add the drained black rice to the pot and stir gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Toasting the rice enhances its nutty flavor and helps the grains stay separate when cooked. This step is optional, but highly recommended for depth of taste. Step 4. Add water and simmer. Pour in 1.5 cups of water and add the salt. Stir once, then bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. Avoid lifting the lid, this traps the steam needed for perfect cooking. If using a rice cooker, simply add all ingredients after soaking and press cook. Most modern rice cookers handle black rice well, though you may need to adjust water levels slightly. Step 5. Let it rest. Once the rice is tender and the water is absorbed, turn off the heat and let the rice sit, covered, for 10 minutes. This resting period allows the grains to finish steaming and become fluffy. Step 6. Finish with flavor. Transfer the cooked rice to a serving bowl. Drizzle with toasted sesame oil and sprinkle with roasted sesame seeds and sliced scallions. Gently fluff the rice with a fork or rice paddle to distribute the flavors evenly. Serving. This Korean-style black rice is incredibly versatile. Here are a few ways to enjoy it. As a base for bibimbap, top with sautéed vegetables, a fried egg, and a spoonful of gochujang for a vibrant, healthy meal. With grilled meats, serve alongside bulgogi, galbi, or decorating for a colorful, nutritious accompaniment. In a rice bowl bibimbap style, add marinated tofu, spinach, cucumber, and a drizzle of soy garlic sauce. As a standalone dish, enjoy warm or slightly cooled. Garnish simply with extra sesame seeds and a pinch of salt. Black rice is more than just a trendy superfood, it's a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern wellness. In Korea, grains like heukmi are often included in rice blends Heukmi Bap during ancestral rites, birthdays, and holidays, symbolizing prosperity and health. From a nutritional standpoint, black rice outshines white rice in nearly every category. It has a lower glycemic index, meaning it won't spike blood sugar levels as quickly. Its high antioxidant content supports brain health and may reduce inflammation. And let's not forget the visual appeal. When served, the deep purple hue of the rice naturally draws people in, making every meal feel special. Cooking black rice Korean style is a small act that connects us to a larger story of heritage, health, and harmony on the plate. At Inside Kitchen Stories, we believe food should nourish the body and tell a tale. This dish does both. So, the next time you're looking to elevate your rice game, skip the plain white grains and reach for black rice. With its rich color, nutty taste, and Korean flair, it's more than a side, it's a statement. Until next time, keep your kitchen alive with stories, one grain at a time.